Hello everyone, this is AI Digital with a brand new topic, Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. The Samsung Galaxy S24 series was believed to consist of two models, but recent updates indicates it will follow the S23 lineup. The latest reports reveals that the Galaxy S24 series has been codenamed Muse by the Samsung. The sources also has confirmed that the Galaxy S24 Ultra will feature a telephoto camera with 5x optical zoom. According to latest report revealed, Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is coming in early 2024. Will launch in Q1 with 3 lineup models. Let's dive and have a look on that latest reveals. The sources has confirmed that the device name S24 series are being developed under the project name Muse. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is known as the Muse 3. This seems to confirm that as the S23 and before there will be also a Muse 1 and Muse 2. Rumors about the deletion of the Plus model, the Galaxy S24, seem to have been definitely relegated to the realm of fables. Although many technical details are still unknown, we can confirm our previous information that the Muse 3 S24 Ultra does indeed have a telephoto camera with 5 optical zoom. The details are ever scarcer on the non-Ultra models, but we bet that will change quickly in the coming weeks. Of course, it will be some time before Samsung launches the Galaxy S24 series. Finally, this should become the traditional non-folding top model in the range of 2024. Expect a disclosure in the first quarter of that year. So we have to wait at least another 7 or 8 months to actually get to know Project Muse. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe.